Firebase is a product of Google that helps developers to build, manage, and grow their apps easily. How can you add a Flutter to Firebase? That's very simple. Now you have to go to the Firebase console. You can see simple on the screen. You have to click on Add a Project. Now you have to name the project. It could be anything randomly. Then click on Continue. Disable the Enable Google Analytics for the project. Because we don't need to this for out, we can add it later. Now you will see the below screen. You can see you need to choose Flutter option. After click on Flutter option, it's time to add a Firebase to your Flutter app. You need to make sure that you install the Flutter Fire CLI or Flutter SDK before connecting it to the Flutter. Now after that, you can open your Flutter project terminal. Now run Firebase login command. If you are new to login, give your email ID and password. Remember, it's important for Firebase login. After you log into Firebase account, you can run Flutter Fire configuration command in the terminal. It will give you the list of all the projects available in Firebase. Now you can select your one. You can select web, Mac OS, Android, and stuff. If you want to create all of them, you can select all. This depends on what kind of project you want to create. Now if Firebase is connected to the Flutter project, to tell your project that you want to use a feature of Firebase project, you need to add some necessary Firebase packages like Firebase Core, Firebase Auth. You can install them by Flutter pub add package name. It's that simple. Remember, Flutter is based on the Dart language, so import Firebase Core and Firebase Auth in your main Dart file. So this was how you can add Flutter to Firebase.